Hey guys, welcome to this video.
Anti-math.
So this video is about the circumcenter. We can go over these details of the circumcenter first. The point equidistance from the vertices of a triangle. That means if you're at the circumcenter of a triangle, you are equidistant from each of the vertices. So this distance is equal to this distance is equal to this distance. They're all equal. And that's actually the reason why it's the center of the circumscribed circle, because each of these distances is a radius. And then the circle would lie on the vertices. So fun facts of the circumcenter is it is the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. So perpendicular bisector of an arbitrary triangle means that it bisects the side opposite of it. So it cuts this side into two equal parts, and it's perpendicular to that line. And the idea is if you do that 3 times, so the idea is if you do that 3 times, it will hit at the same intersection point. That intersection point of all the perpendicular bisectors is the circumcenter. So that's what this fun fact is. Then they tell you it's the center of the circumscribed circle. Well, that was what I was mentioning earlier, that since they're all the same distance from the vertices, that means these are all a radius of this larger circle. There's a cleaner version right there. So now the location summary, if it's an acute triangle, which both of these are acute triangles, then it is on the inside of the triangle. That's why this circumcenter is on the inside. If it's a right triangle, then it's on the triangle. So here's a nice right triangle. If we do the same thing here, we bisect it. Then we bisect this side. So these two are equal. And then the perpendicular. And then we bisect the longer side, which ends up being that spot there. So these two are equal. And the intersection happens to be on the triangle right there. And this is just a sketch, but you can kind of get the idea that if it's a right triangle, it'll always be on the triangle. And I believe it's always on the hypotenuse. And the last is an obtuse triangle. So perpendicular bisector, we bisect, go perpendicular, and then here we bisect, go perpendicular, then here we bisect, and go perpendicular. It's this way into the triangle, but then it would be this way out of the triangle. And this point right here is your circumcenter, because it's the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors, and it is outside of the triangle. So these are the 3 scenarios of where it's acute, it's inside, it's right, it's on the triangle, and if it's obtuse, it's outside. That's circumscribed circle. We could also draw another circle outside this one, not to scale. Or for this one, the circle would be more like this. Each of the distance from the vertices are equal. Each of these are radii, which would make the circle like that. Notice that the center of the circumscribed circle is still the circumcenter of all these. So if this introduction to the circumcenter helped, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.